Welcome to PBIVizEdit tool. If you use comparative analysis, you need to click on Modify Visual. Then you will reach here on this page. Here you need to put your details. If you are a first time user, you need to click on this blue link and register with us. After login, you will reach here. If you are a new user, then it will take some time. After reaching here, you need to click on library and these to your visual which you need to import. If you are a first time user to this tool, a very quick overview to this arrangement. The very left panel deals with all the charts and data fields. The middle panel deals with all the formatting type which you need to do in your visual. The right panel is all about where you select your data and see the real-time rendering of your visual. One thing to notice, the data used here is a sample data, but when you export the visual, the data will be used what you have in Power BI. So if you're connecting to a SQL database or an Excel file or any other data source, you would see that the sample data will not be associated with the exported visual. So this is for just demonstration purpose or looking at how the visual look in real time. In the upper section, here you can switch into multiple visual editors if you have multiple ones, and from here you can export your visual. Just click here. You need to fill these data. If you want to change name, you can, or you can leave it as it is. Here you put your name, your right email ID. One important thing, you need to create new GUID by click this refresh button. This is important because this GUID has to be unique for your visual. So when you are using this visual in your Power BI dashboard, this ID has to be unique. It should not have a conflict with any other GUID from the marketplace or any of the visual you might used before. If you are doing an update to the visual and this is not your first time, we recommend keep the GUID same because that will help with update. But if you are not updating and this is your very first download, please click on this refresh button here and create a new GUID for your visual. This will ensure that there is no conflict with any other marketplace visual. In the field section, you can select as per your need. We have selected some important things, but you can select as per your need. In format, here also you can select according to your need or as you like from these options. All of these options should be enough for your visual, but if you are opting to a single time download, I would recommend you to choose all options because you will not get second chance after you pay and download. So we recommend tick all the options, those are here if you are on a subscription plan. However, we recommend selecting the options that are necessary. This will help avoid clutter in your Power BI visual dashboard. If you need another visual, you can always come back and select additional options or deselect from here as your choice or as per your need. Okay, once we are ready and we are satisfied with all the changes, we recommend you to export the free visual, try it out, and when you are happy, you can go and make a purchase by click pay and export. There is a subscription option as well. So if I click on export now, it will take a minute or two, depends on how busy this server is. As you can see here, visual has been downloaded successfully. Now we will go to Power BI and let's explore our visual. Now we can import our visual by clicking these three dots and go to import a visual and import from here. Go to your download section and open the visual. As you can see here, this little tiny icon, by clicking this you will get your visual. Just drag a little bit. Now I'll fill the data fields with data. On the y-axis I want attribute. On first x-axis I want volume A. Another x-axis rating A. Third x-axis volume B. On the very last x-axis I want rating B. This looks fine. Let's format a little bit more. For overall chart I want to increase some font size. Let's own the legend. Increase the text size. It's fine. X-axis is fine, but change the text size a little bit more. Okay, X1 is fine for me. Y1 fine. I don't want to change any Y1. X2 text size is a little bit more. It's fine for more. X3 now this is fine for me. And let's check in plot what can I change. Look 0 I want bar label, so for bar label put percent sign and then middle bracket inside X, and here is our bar labels. Load 1 and 3 is fine for me. Let's change in plot 2 and similarly we put percent for bars index. Let's change the color to white, like pink code, and increase the label font size. Now this looks fine for me. Like this, we hope you're able to create some powerful insights using this comparative analysis chart. And to let us know if you face any issues by contacting us through the email provided on our website. Thank you so much.